this training and placement webinar will be of 20 to 30 minutes. Within, I will cover and show you why the 75% student got rejected with their resume. So यहाँ पे आज मैं आप लोगों को एक वेबिनार आप लोग के लिए रखा है जो कि फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है और जो कि आने वाले समय में फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रहेगा। यहाँ पे मैं बताऊंगा कि 75% स्टूडेंट्स जो होते हैं वो क्यों रिजेक्ट हो जा रहे हैं आजकल। बिकॉज आप लोग भी अप्लाई कर रहे होगे, तुरंत आता है मैसेज रिजेक्टेड का, तुरंत कहीं सिलेक्शन नहीं होता है, उसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है। सो आई विल टेल यू, सो मूव फॉरवर्ड। So this is me, Gaurav Viswa, web developer. I am a web developer and the founder of Azutech Best company, which named is TechWorks IT Solution.
Sir, for disturbing.
What?
Sorry, sir, for disturbing. Your voice is not clear.
Okay. So here my voice
Sir,
is
it's
clear
clear.
to all.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you look my profile on a LinkedIn. I will share the LinkedIn profile link in the group which I make for the training and placement. During the past pandemic, I think Gores know this 300 plus student during like a digital marketing and web development with the Sampun Shiksha. Gores, you know?
Yes.
I
sir.
think you are the oldest student.
Yes.
Okay. So moving forward. So what is the today's topic we have to cover? Now making a resume, how to make a resume, what points we have to keep in mind while making a resume. Now the second point is internship and training. What type of internship and training, and from where we applied and from where we get an internship and training, because this is one of the most important thing nowadays, because it's represent your experience on a resume. Okay, so the point third is very important point, apply for job which matches your profile. यहाँ पे क्या होता है थर्ड पॉइंट में, हम लोग किसी भी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या कर देते हैं। ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज हम लोग जॉब की नीड है, बट हम लोग को रिजेक्शन मेल भी उतना ही जल्दी आता है जितना जल्दी हम लोग किसी भी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं। बट ऐसा नहीं करना है। ऐसा क्यों नहीं करना है आगे मैं बताऊंगा। See guys, why 75% of profile got rejected nowadays? Why? Anyone have a reason? So he or she tell me here. And it is not compulsory to speak in English or speak in Hindi. You guys are free to speak in two languages, whatever you know well.
I
Okay.
guess we can't portray our skills in front of the interviewer.
Okay. So anyone else want to say something?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
Rudra. Yeah, Rudra.
Yes, sir. According to my point of view, there are some factors like first is that about the skills, what the company is requiring, whether that exact skill we have or not. And
Okay.
second one is in our resume, what we have mentioned that is matching or not according to company's criteria. And another one is another factor is we are from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 college, which it's according to which companies are specifying, because nowadays some companies or many companies are MNCs are specifying about tier 1 colleges like IITs and NITs. So tier 3 college students are not getting some.
I think you are
So
from the
that's
third college, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I will solve your
Yes.
problem today. Anyone else who want to speak on this topic? Why 75% student got rejected?
Sir, I think the students don't have enough skills to apply for the job. Like we need skills for applying for the job, and we don't learn skills. We just do degree, college, but we don't learn the skill which we needed the most.
See, 90 to 95% student nowadays are copying the resume. The first thing is that, and they didn't know about their own skill.
Yes, true.
Okay, so I will tell you today how you guys got selected in the big company, big MNCs like Flipkart, Amazon, or TCS. Your dream company, you can take participate in exam, and your resume got selected, and you call for the interview for sure. So moving forward, the first thing about is how to make a resume. So you guys see the number of students have a resume of 3 pages, 6 pages. How many of you are seeing this type of resume having a 3 pages or a 6 pages? Is there anyone
Only
I see
two
two.
page. Only 2 pages.
who is speaking? Please, yeah, right. You see the resume of 2 pages, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
My resume is only of 2 pages.
Okay, okay. And Sonal, what's your opinion about this topic?
sir, I've seen the resume only like 2 pages, not more than that. CV is more than 2 pages because it needs more qualification, but the
See,
resume should be 1 pager,
here
according
I
to me.
think all are fresher, and all have a resume, not a CV. Okay, the first point is that no one going to be make a CV
Okay, sir.
before an internship and training, because internship and training gives the experience. So you design the CV, but that CV will be of only 1 page or 1.5 page. Try to make it that like, okay, I will show you the template, and I will show you how and why the profile got rejected. So anyone has have doubts, so he or she will speak. I will solve your doubt, because I am here to solve your doubt. Don't hesitate, ask.
Sir, I want to,
What,
sir,
Sonal?
I
Yeah.
want to ask, like, CV is for the educational purpose. Like if when we are applying for the teacher's job, then we need CV, and when we are applying for the internship or another job, then we need a resume.
Okay. So
Is
the
it right?
first point is length more than 1 page. What mean the length? The length is the it represents your skills. It represents your college education. In education, what you have to write about your class 12th and about your BTech or BCA. Because if you do not do this type of things, and you add 10, 9, etc., then your profile got big, and it takes 1 and more pages. I'm right. So you have to fill only the important detail, like if you have done the what you have done, like post graduation you have done. Okay, if you have done the post
Post
graduation,
I'm doing BCom.
if uh, first listen what I am trying to say. If you done post graduation, then you have to write in education post graduation and bachelor's, then 12th, not more than that. Okay, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
And the second point is about the skills. You have to represent the skills. If you are looking for the job in digital marketing, so you have to show up the skill, like you have a graphic design skill, you have a Google Analytics skill, you have a graphic designing and Canva, like poster my wall, video editing skills. So every profile, every different domain have every different CV or resume. Everybody clear what I am saying? If anybody have doubt regarding this point, he or she can ask me. Goresh, Rudra, Himanshu,
No, sir, no doubt.
Sonal,
No, sir.
Himanshu Upadhyay. Okay. So moving forward, flashing formatting. You see a number of students have a colored resume. So no color resume is required for the big MNCs like Amazon, Flipkart. Only the simple resume want. See here you see the images of one graphic in the presentation, which is very colorful, but it didn't attract the interviewer or the company. Okay, your profile got rejected. So keep in mind, while developing a resume or while developing a CV, you have to keep in a simple color, not a colorful way. Okay, now moving forward, missing keywords. If you are looking for the digital marketing jobs, or if you are looking for the Python, if you mix up the Python skill into a digital marketing skill, then it doesn't represent you well. If you are looking for the Python related job or the Python development job, if you are looking for the teaching job, so what you have to do, you have to make a single page resume which showcase your skill only related to the teaching or only related to the Python. Okay, clear? Everybody clear this point? Boris, Python developer.
Yes. Yes.
Sonal, Rudra and Himanshu, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I'm waiting for your opinion about this topic.
Yes, sir, it is
Clear,
clear.
clear, sir, clear.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, okay, ask.
Sir, it is like mandatory to have like a picture on the resume,
No, while
like it is.
making a resume, yeah, good question, Sonal. While making a resume, you never post your photo or any pic, because if your interviewer or the company see your profile and see your resume, they see everything. So for what they take your interview? Okay, so please keep in mind, don't paste any
Okay.
photo on the resume or the CV. Now I
Sir, I
hope,
have one.
yeah,
Sir, it is mandatory to use our like address of our home or not?
yeah. Sometime it will be very useful, because some of the jobs, like I am applying for the job before pandemic, where I see the Pune location, but what the problem occur, I am from the UP. Okay, so they want Mumbai location, Navi Mumbai location, but they didn't tell that I am looking for the candidate who belong to the Mumbai or Navi Mumbai or Maharashtra. So the problem occur here. If the company looks that you belong to the Pune or deciding the Pune states or city, then why they offer you a job, or they send you a very beautiful rejection email. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So moving forward, wrong irrelevant paragraph, which means I'm talking at the first point about the education, about the projects. If you are looking for the web development, so web development jobs, so what you have to do, you have to fill only project related to the web development, not the Python. Okay, if you are looking for the teaching job, then what project you have to show up here, you have to make a content on a YouTube and post that this channel name you run on the YouTube, and what content you create, give a simple link, nothing more than that. If you do it, it will be a very harmful for you. Okay, so moving forward, how to make a resume for big MNC. So here I'm going to solve the problem for Himanshu Upadhyay, because he is asking for help regarding the resume, right? Himanshu, I'm giving you the ideas how you can make this resume.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to share you a new profile. So be ready, guys, to show up how I design the resume and show you what the point of things are getting to rejected. Everybody see this resume.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, you can take the snapshot or
Sir,
you can take the screenshot because it will help you out. This is my resume.
already taken, sir.
Okay. So this is for, I am applying for the Amazon. Okay. So this type of resume you have to make. See here, I don't represent my picture. I don't represent anything else which is unnecessary. Here is my personal project which I am working on. Okay. So I'm going to show you another picture. See here, everybody see this profile about the Priya Pandey.
Yes, sir.
So it's a bit blur.
Now it is
Yes,
clear,
yes.
Doris.
Yes.
If you have any doubt or if you see this is the Priya Pandey have a master of vocation. This is the master's profile. And how many of you think that this profile got selected for an interview? Sonal, is this profile get selected for the interview? Himanshu Upadhyay, this
So
question is from you. Is this profile got selected? क्या ये
I
प्रोफाइल
think
सेलेक्ट हो
no.
सकती है?
I think nahi.
Absolutely.
ओके, हिमांशु आप बताओ.
एब्सोल्युटली चाहिए सर, क्योंकि मास्टर्स के लिए बेसिकली.
Okay, what's your opinion, Gaurav? Gaurav, sorry.
So no, it won't be getting selected at all.
Okay, Rudra, what's your
No,
opinion
sir.
about that?
No, no,
Okay.
sir. It will not
So
select.
can anyone tell me about why this profile not get selected?
So because it's looking very like blank. Like
The format is
there
not
is no.
appropriate for the big
Yeah.
MNC, right? Even for the small MNC, the format is not good. So I'm going to share you one platform from which you can create your resume. Okay. So we'll share it soon. Now move to the next. If anyone have any doubt, he or she can ask me regarding the resume whichever I am showing you here, guys. No one have doubt? So let's talk about the internship and training. How many of you are interested in internship and how many of you are interested in training?
Sir, I am interested.
For what profile?
Digital marketing.
See guys, don't focus on the digital marketing only. If you are a digital marketing aspirant, you have to must to focus on a website development. Why? Because sometime there will be no any guarantee that the social media platform got dismissed from India. Okay, so don't depend on the digital marketing nowadays because nowadays the situation is very critical because a number of students regarding the digital marketing pay a higher fees like 30 to 40,000 for learning the digital marketing and getting the certificates. Okay, Himanshu, I hope you listen this. You have to
Yes.
learn some web development from the YouTube or from wherever you want to learn. Okay, Sonal?
Okay. Sir, if I want to do the internship in like event planning, so then
If you
where
are
should I
looking,
start?
yeah, if you are looking for the event planning, then it is good. You have, if you have skills like web development, so you earn a good amount of money for an event managing company. You understand what I am trying to say? Because if you are digital marketing student, okay, अगर आप लोग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्टूडेंट हो और आप इवेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो जहाँ पे एक वेबसाइट की भी नीड होती है, ठीक है, अगर उनका वेबसाइट अच्छे से वर्क नहीं कर रहा है तो आप उनका वेबसाइट अच्छे से बिल्डअप करके आप उसके भी पैसे चार्ज कर सकते हो, उसका भी स्टाइपेंड मिलेगा आपको, प्लस आपको एडवर्टाइजिंग का स्टाइपेंड तो मिल ही रहा होगा। तो मैं बार बार क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, वेब डेवलपमेंट एक ऐसा डोमेन बन चुका है जो कि हर एक बिजनेस के लिए जरूरी है, जो हर एक कंपनी के लिए जरूरी है। और साथ में अगर आपके पास कोई और स्किल है लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, लाइक सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, सो आपको दोनों तरफ से फायदे मिल रहे होंगे। ओके, अब कंपनी क्या देख रही है, कंपनी ये देख रही है कि किस कैंडिडेट में कितना पोटेंशियल है, वो एक साथ किन किन प्रोफाइल में काम कर सकता है। ओके, अच्छा, किसी ने भी आज तक ऐसा चीज देखा है कि एक कंपनी कोई हायर कर रही है तो वो किसी अनेक या डिफरेंट डोमेन वालों को हायर कर रही है, जैसे कि कोई पाइथन भी जान रहा हो, वेब डेवलपमेंट भी जान रहा हो, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी जान रहा हो, तो उसका सिलेक्शन पहले होता है। और जो कोई एक स्किल जान रहा हो तो उसका सिलेक्शन बहुत कम चांस है कि हो। ऐसा किसी ने देखा है?
No.
यस सर, यस। हाँ,
किसने देखा है? गौरेश, you see this?
No, I said I didn't see this.
Okay.
I never said.
Okay. So for what internship and training, those who are from, how many of you are here for digital marketing internship? Please type in a comment box. Okay, in the last I will show you from where you are applying for the digital marketing internship and how you get selected. Okay, now moving to the next slide. Apply for job. Now I am going to show you how you applying for a job and get landed into a job. Okay, so I'm going to stop the screen, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. No one have any doubt?
Sir, is it sales and marketing is also help in digital marketing or in various jobs? Like
Yeah.
it is a good skill to learn?
Yeah. But
Okay.
sales and marketing depend on the earning about the referrals. Okay, you have to make the student collect and
Sir,
all these type of things, and you have to sell the courses or you have to sell the services. So there are many of the things that you have to do for earning a good amount of money, or like a business sale or business development sales.
okay.
So I am going to show you from where you got the job, or from where you get an internship, or from where you get an training. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile and I am going to the job section. Everybody have a LinkedIn profile? How many of you have LinkedIn profile?
I have it.
Hi, sir.
yes sir, I have. Yes sir.
Himanshu, you have? Okay, great. Now what you have to do here, you have to type out digital marketing and hit enter. Now see this, what I am telling you guys, your profile matches the job. You see this here? Everybody have visible this screen?
Yes, it is
सभी को
visible.
ये चीज दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है योर प्रोफाइल मैचेस फॉर दिस जॉब। ओके,
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूंगा, अप्लाई ऑन लिंक्डइन। मैंने अप्लाई किया लिंक्डइन पे। ओके, अब यहाँ पे मेरे से क्या पूछ रहा है, आपके पास टेक कंटेंट राइटिंग, कॉपी राइटिंग है नहीं है, क्या है, जो भी है। तो ये सब आपको आपके अकॉर्डिंग, आपके एक्सपीरियंस के अकॉर्डिंग फिल आउट करना है। ये मैं अभी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के लिए बता रहा हूँ। और कोई जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए, और कोई जॉब प्रोफाइल है यहाँ पे, तो वो मेरे से पूछ सकता है कि उसके डोमेन के लिए कहाँ से अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा इंटर्नशिप के लिए। नो एक्सपीरियंस लेवल पे हमें क्लिक करना है एंड यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, इंटर्नशिप एंड एंट्री लेवल। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर पासिंग योर बैचलर्स हियर? No one have a bachelor's degree right now?
I have.
Sir,
Gaurav.
I'm pursuing.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
No,
this year final year pass.
okay, not an issue. You also apply for this job. See here, digital marketing intern. Here also, it will present your profile matches for this job. So whenever you are going to apply for any job, like I am typing here teaching. See here, teacher intern. All are the teaching jobs. Okay. You see? If any doubt regarding the teaching job, if any looking for the Python, so what I am doing here, I simply type Python developer. See here, I am basically looking for the job about the web developer, or I am looking for a web developer intern. So see, no, see here, full stack developer, you're not profile match, nothing match here. But as a web developer, because I save my settings to a web developer, so it shows your profile matches for this job. Okay, so I think everybody have no doubt regarding the job opportunity on the LinkedIn. Now, how many of you are listen the name of intern Sala? Batao.
I have.
Okay. Now what we have to do here, we have to go to internsala.com and click on internship and work from home. Okay. If I click work from home, a new interface will open, and in category what I write, digital marketing. See here, a lots of job opportunity like digital marketing is available. Okay. How to apply for any of the job? I'm going to apply for the job. So please take a snapshot about this point if you want, and if you feel that you don't answer why you should hire for this role, because only I saw here because you guys are giving your time to this webinar, so I saw you, because I don't tell it's for free. Goddess know well about me.
Yes.
Sonal, Rudra, and Himanshu, please do take a snapshot. Okay. Sonal, have you done it?
What, sir? Sir, I have Internshala account and I applied for internships too.
Okay, great. So there are so many jobs, so many interns have jobs. Like if you are looking for the fresher jobs, okay. So I go to the fresher jobs, and here I am in category. I like Python and the Django development. Can anyone define what is Django? How many of you are BC and MCA here, and know about little about the Python language? Gores,
Yes, sir.
you know about the Django? Himanshu Upadhyay, you know about the Django?
Sir, not fully, sir. Only basics. Like it is a framework, web development
See,
framework for Python.
See, how many of you are from the computer background or from the technical background? कौन कौन यहाँ पे अभी वेबिनार में कंप्यूटर बैकग्राउंड और टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से है?
Sir, I am into electronics and telecommunication.
हिमांशु, आप किस बैकग्राउंड से हो? Okay. And Sonal, from which background you are from? Sonal, you can type because your voice is breakable. So you can type.
Sir, BCom.
Okay. See here, guys. Whatever background you are from, if you are looking for the job in a tech field, then you have to spend minimum 4 to 8 hours daily on your laptop with the internet and looking for the job, intern, training, and some content regarding the YouTube. Okay, because if you stop learning, because nowadays new technology, every month new technology launch, and no one have a great experience about the new technology, and this is the biggest result that many of the students got rejected, because learning is one of the most important thing nowadays. So please keep in mind and start implementing. If you have any doubt regarding the learning, so I will help you out. So here I am sending this link for All India Internship Test 2021. This is the newest platform. Okay, so what you get from here, see here, the exam date will be on 23rd May, which was I think pass out, yeah. And the first prize will get an international paid internship regarding the digital marketing or for Python Django. Okay, guys, this was one of the best platform ever. I am applying for this internship, and this give me a very best experience about the internship. Okay, so if anybody have doubt, he or she can ask me now, and I am going to end up the session if no have any doubt.
Hello, sir. Can you explain it again, sir, in this web page what you are saying? Because your voice is breaking at the time. Last
Okay,
page, sir.
okay. So I am talking about the Jobsy India's present platform, which is All India Internship Test 2021. This gives the best amount as an intern or a best stipend for the intern. Okay. Here, what you
Okay,
get
sir.
if you got the rank from 2 to 100. Okay. So you get the internship from the companies like I will show you the companies which are taking participate in this type of internship: Udan, PureFit, Flipkart, Myntra, Amazon, Disney Plus, Hotstar, PharmEasy, Oyo, NinjaCart, Walmart, LiveSpace, and Microsoft. I think here so many guys have a dream like Amazon, Flipkart, and Microsoft, and Walmart too. How many of you are have a dream company which is present here? कौन कौन से लोगों की ड्रीम कंपनी है फ्लिपकार्ट, Myntra, Amazon, Disney Plus, and Microsoft and Walmart?
The Microsoft.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Amazon.
I have Google.
Google. And for Google, you have must have a research quality, because they hire many of the interns or many of the students who have a research quality and who work on own project. I will take the webinar on how to take placement as Amazon, basically of half an hour like that. You guys get the webinar for free weekly or monthly. Okay, so be in the group and I will show you all the information regarding the job
Yes, sir.
openings. So be ready and make your resume. If you have any doubt regarding the resume, you can contact me between the 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day. I will ready to help you out, guys. Okay.
Sir, after making resume, can you review our resume if we send it to you?
Yeah, I will give you the feedback. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for this.
So Rudra, have you any doubt?
No, sir, but in which platform we can send you the resume, sir?
I
Because
will,
I have a
I will
resume.
send you the link for creating the platform. Sorry, for creating the resume soon in the group,
Sir,
or by tomorrow morning
hello,
you
sir.
will
Hello,
get.
hello.
Yeah.
Sir, in same platform, I have done a resume. So can you check it?
I will. You will send personally. I will give the feedback about your resume and what changes you
In
required. I will tell you. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
Himanshu, please make your resume and send it to me, and I will give you the perform of how what format you have to make, and I will give you the platform link from where you create. Got
Sir,
it?
I have a question.
Yeah, Sonal.
Sir, is it mandatory to make resume for different roles, like different
Yeah,
resume?
yeah, it is a very mandatory because one of the software called ATS, application testing software, which reject the resume if they not get the skill because they are a programmed software which the CEO or the founder enter the skill that this skills is required for the company. Okay, so this was, and this will
Okay,
be
okay,
the
sir.
very important point to be keep in mind. Okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for being here, and please do share your
Okay, sir.
reviews in the form of videos. How this webinar affect your life and what point you know. Okay, I'm waiting for the video reviews to my personal WhatsApp. Thank you, guys.